was bad.
While making our way home through the south side on the highway, we encountered some traffic, so we took this exit here and had this truck come blind up behind us. We also used the shoulder to try to get around some of the traffic and get on the exit a little quicker. The shoulder was also used by that truck, and then he took the inside and used the other shoulder and about took out the median there. Turns out this driver is a cop. I'm assuming off duty in his personal vehicle. How do we know he's a cop? Take a look at this license plate he has. The indications are that he is a Chicago police officer. He continues driving quite recklessly, apparently with no regard for law and or order. Decides he wants to get past some cars here by using the bike lane, and does get past a couple, but ends up being foiled here in a moment because the people don't seem to want to let him back into that driving lane, so he's stuck there.
Not gonna do any good. Yeah, nobody let him in.
Unfortunately, this blue car decides he's gonna go ahead and let him through, so he ends up getting slowly into the lane to drive some more. We end up catching up to him here at the next light, and yet again he has a disregard for law and order of traffic as he runs this red light after driving around everybody. We assume he probably ran the stop sign coming up too. Didn't seem to really be paying much attention to that pedestrian either.
He's a cop, he can do whatever he wants. Or he believes so, at least.
Did he even stop for the stop sign?
Probably not.
We end up catching up to him again after this underpass. He actually stops at the red light up here, so we had a good luck of catching up to him again, if you want to call it that. He actually seems to stop at the next stop sign too. It's here that he decides he doesn't need to use a turn signal and just goes on off that road. That's the end of our following the police officer without any regard for law or order.
up with these people? Oh my god! Oh my god. Seriously?
Come on, what you got?
Okay,
Come on, what
okay.
you got?
Come on. Come on, babe. I'm in the car. Don't do this in the car.
Yeah.
Babe.
Bud. Oh.
I'm in the car. Please, I don't want to die. Joe. Please.
Cut me off again. What?
Nothing. Stop. Just be an adult.
Yeah.
Okay.
Check this out. This dude has a BMW, pretty decent looking one. Looks like he takes care of it. Nice paint, not all scratched up. He's got a freaking sofa on top of the roof. What the hell?